Kanyakumari, Bharat is one. Yes. ओहो, ठंडी। इंडिया में पहली बार बर्फ देखने का मजा कुछ अलग है, और वो भी इतने बड़े हाइट पे। You're riding your own bike by yourself and going and seeing that snow from India. I've always seen the snow in Canada, but I've never seen a snow in India. But yes, absolutely, guys. Just to let you know, in India you will find everything. You will find snow, you will find desert, and you will find evergreen forest as well. And that is the biggest part of India, that you can get everything over here. That's the only reason why everyone wanted to rule on India, right? This is how the rough patch starts, and our speed will drop down. Rough patch off-roading. Hoi hoi. Hi. Yeah, just be careful. That's it. When you're riding on this, and the best part is it's not so busy. The road is not so busy. There's no traffic. Actually, everyone is coming down. There are only few people who are actually going up, like us maniacs, who came on the off season now. Like, season is going to end, so we came right now. So I'm happy and I'm sad. That means I am not able to see a lot of people around, and I'm happy that I don't have to stuck in the traffic. Like, there will be back-to-back trucks, tours and travel buses. So that's a good one. Whereas काइको यहाँ से चलो ना रे भाई. लेट्स गो फ्रॉम हियर मैन. यहाँ पे तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है भाई. चलो यहाँ से आराम से एकदम अरे एकदम आराम से धीरे धीरे पुश करने का ब्रेक. मेरे पीछे वाला ब्रेक तो टोटल ऐसा गया है. ओनली फ्रंट ब्रेक इज वर्किंग. वो स्किड ना हो, क्योंकि माई फ्रंट ब्रेक हैज नाउ ABS. द बैक डजंट हैज, बिकॉज वी डिड सम जुगाड़. पता नहीं कौन सा एनलाइटमेंट हुआ था, क्यों गया पता नहीं मेरे को. आई शुड नॉट हैव ऑन टू दैट पर्सन. आई मीन, मैंने रिपेयरिंग करने के लिए जाना ही नहीं था एक्चुअली. हे भगवान. अरे चढ़ो. Please drive carefully. Yes, absolutely, we are going to drive carefully. So I'm standing on bike now, and I'm riding. He's like, this guy is doing, man. ऐसे चलाए तो बैक में पेन नहीं आता. And this is like full empty road now, man. ऐसे चलाते चलाते कहीं नीचे चले गए तो डायरेक्ट. हाय क्या व्यू है. मज़ा आ गया. इसको बोलते हैं राइडिंग. एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली हैप्पी टू राइड विथ केयर एंड विथ कॉशन. अब चलो भाई. अरे उतरो और हमको चढ़ने दो. I'm just loving it. My dad and my mom are going to go crazy for sure. I'm 100% betting on it. They're going to go crazy. They're going to say what this kid has done. I mean, without informing us, without telling us anything, no. This guy is like just, out of the blue, going on mountains. Haven't rode the bike for like ages. Buying a 400cc bike, going all by himself from Mumbai to Leh, Khardungla, and man, really, and I'm really happy that I didn't have to take any time off. I mean, that's something like really. I mean, people say like you have to take Dimox or you will get headache and stuff like that. I don't have any headache. Just to let you know, I don't have any headache. Even on this higher altitude, I'm able to talk to you guys. Yes, थोड़ा बहुत मुझे मैं हाफ रहा हूँ, लाइक लिटिल बिट आई एम जस्ट कैचिंग माई ब्रेथ बिकॉज आई हैव almost 35 kgs bag on my back. So when I walk, it's heavy, guys. Believe it or not, it's heavy. That's why I have to catch some breath, and I'm really happy that, you know. I mean, everyone is giving that look like, bro, really? I mean, this is an off season now, and you're coming right now. Yes, I'm coming right now, guys. I'm coming right now with single brake. My rear brake is not working. I tried it multiple times, but even if I want to stop my bike, I have to use my only front brakes. That's it. I'll get all this thing fixed at Delhi because I have not got anyone over here in Leh. मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा डर तो ट्रक वालों का लगता है भाई, डायरेक्ट आंख पे ऑपरेट पूरा धूल उठा के, हाँ तूफान उठा दूंगा, उठा दिया तूफान. And everyone is so astonished to see me. Some people from Odisha actually met me at Mulbek, the Mulbek big old statue, Buddha statue. They met me over there and they said, like, you know, they were so, like, you know, nice people. They were talking to me, all young kids, like not kids, like they're almost like 35, 36, 38 years old. They were talking to me and they were asking, like, you know, oh my God, you're riding over here. From where you're riding? And I said, like, you know, look at my bike. It's from Maharashtra. I'm riding from Maharashtra. I have not shipped my bike. I'm riding, and that's to solo all by myself. They were saying, like, holy moly, how can you even do that, man? They said, like, you know, we want to take a picture with you. I mean, I felt like, and believe it, like for just for just few seconds, I felt like I am a celebrity. That gives a notification that, man, whatever you're doing is out of the blue. Yes, there are thousands. You are just one among the thousands who is doing this, but you are one among the millions who are not doing this. That doesn't mean that you are doing something outstanding. It is just each and every individual thinks of doing it. I'm really upset to see that my friend is not there. I'll wait for him. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. I felt like celebrity, believe it or not. ना एक गेट में रहने दे. खड़े रहने का, हाँ खड़े रहेंगे, चलो खड़े रहेंगे, चलो. When you stand, it becomes a little bit easy. पत्थर में जाने के नहीं भाई. हाँ, you can't see me, but I can see you. Arana, hello. But I'm really happy that my one bag is not there, so that I don't have to carry the whole luggage on my back with this bike. And it's not something like you achieve something when you come on a bike. भाई टूरिस्ट लोग यहाँ पे आकर कार भी हायर कर सकते हैं, मतलब हायर नहीं, but they can go with tours and travels and they can come on the top. It is still good. तुम लोगों ने कुछ मतलब क्या, तुम आए और सिर्फ कार में बैठ कर आ गए, उतना सोचना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो when you're thinking that let's come out of comfort zone, that's good. हाँ, अब साला मैं इतना कोने में डाल दिया मेरे को, क्या मेरे को डायरेक्ट गिरना पड़ता. अन्ना क्या हाथ अभी चल रहा तुम्हारा, क्या मालूम भाई. हाथ ठंडे, अब्बा पापा हाथ ठंडे, काट रहा अभी मेरे को. See, that is what you get. People like you. And hats off to all the YouTubers. I'll mention them. Mumbaikar Nikhil, Jat Prabjot, JS Films, Bullu Biker, and many more. I mean, guys, if I have not taken your name, that doesn't mean that I don't like you, okay? I may have seen your video, but bhai abhi dimag mein naam nahi aa raha. So that's why don't get upset. Hats off to these guys because they have really raised the bar for riders. What does that mean? कि राइडर जैकेट पहन के जब हम लोग रास्ते पे निकलते हैं, people look with respect. And believe it or not, I have got this everywhere from Mumbai till Leh right now, till here, as of now, on this road. I've got respect for this rider jacket. We are not racers.